start creating a dramatic smoky eye look. We are first going to apply your eye primer. Using your finger or a sponge, lightly blend primer over your entire eyelid. This will help your makeup stay put. Taking the gray shadow, dab the shadow on the entire eyelid and blend in this color. Blend the shadow along the crease and move outwards to cover the entire lid and under the eye. Don't rush here. Build your eye look using primarily this shade. Now, using the black shadow, dab on the shadow on the outer half of your eye and along your eye crease. Keep this color contained in the area and don't apply too much. Try applying in small circular motions and blend towards the inner corner of the eye and underneath the bottom lash line to increase the smokiness as well. Next, we are going to apply the white highlight shadow. Keep your eyes open and apply white shadow in the inner corners of your eye. Dab the white and blend in with the existing shadows on the lid. Apply some white shadow along the bottom lash line and under the brow as well. If any shadow falls throughout this process, you can wipe it and touch it up with concealer. Now moving on to your eyeliner. Take a piece of strong paper and cut out a triangle. Now we know applying your eyeliner can seem so scary, but it doesn't have to be. Place the edge of the triangle on the same angle that you want your liner to go. Use this edge as a ruler as you apply your liquid liner to help create a nice clean cat eye. Continue the liner to the inner corner and build your liner look from here. Continue to shape your wing. If you mess up, it's okay. Just take some concealer and clean up the edges. Now that your eye look is complete, feel free to add mascara to the top and bottom lashes. Now, take your lip primer. Using your finger, apply a thin coat to your lips. This will add longevity to your lip look. Next, take your clear lip pencil and outline your lips. You may also use this pencil on your brows to tame and keep everything in place. Last, take your matte liquid lipstick. You may apply your lipstick however you feel most comfortable. We suggest making a crisscross at the cupid bow of your lips and filling in the rest. You may also use a separate lip brush if you prefer. This product goes on liquid and dries matte. Make sure to just apply one coat and let this dry. You do not need to worry about it feathering out. Just easily touch up as needed throughout the day.